Okay guys, this year's Evo Enduro 2019, we have these teams participating, and together with them, you will stand a chance to win a Proton X70, 38,000 ringgit cash. Yes, these are real money over here, and 2-person gets to win this, and another 10-person will be able to win 8,000 ringgit cash. All you need to do is just to buy their products from a minimum spending of 5 ringgit. To know how to enter, all you need to do is just to WhatsApp your receipt of your product and answer a simple question to this number. To understand further, go to this website to know about all these products and how to enter. Menang, menang, menang!
Menang!
Alright.
Again, Con? Guys, this is what you can do with manual cars.
Stop in front.
We are setting off now, getting everyone into their groups. So we have we have group 1, group 2, group 3, group 4 rearranging now. This is a huge car park, man. Like, I'm so impressed with how people find these places. Like, we always think how to find place to have a big car meet. But man, this is huge. I'm also amazed. I thought like as the days go by we'll have less and less cars, but it doesn't seem that way, man. Nice, nice, very nice. Who's that? Are you gonna drop the top the whole way? Drop lah! Tri5 once a year only.
You're dropping as well?
Of course.
Okay, then you're drop. I follow your drop.
Awesome. Oi, why your top up one? Drop the top Why? Why?
I don't want to become udang.
You already udang.
Don't tukar more udang lah.
No difference already. Yeah lah, listen to Celsius, man. He knows the degree, okay? Now I have to convince my driver that we will drop the top. Sayang I promise people we're gonna drop the top the whole way. Zoom. Dropped. 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 Awesome. Biru! Are you excited? Woohoo!
When I'm going to drop top, I'm not going to drop top because it's too hot.
Don't talk to you. Gonna kena already. Hey, what's this? Weak. So we're having a little bit of crisis. Clutch, no pressure, cannot engage clutch.
Yeah.
And so nice.
No change gear.
And guess who comes to the rescue again? Francis! Ayo! And us Malaysians, we don't even have a workshop here, but he has a workshop here. Singaporeans, you're very good really. Thank you. And really like people stop and track, see whether we're okay. Nice. Okay guys, this is the only time that I will open my umbrella when I drop the top, because we're waiting for our tow truck now. What an adventure! Because the clutch doesn't have any pressure. But I think this is damn good lah. I mean, imagine if you don't have a cabriolet, you cannot drop the top, you don't have open air. You cannot sit down, you have to go out and stand in the tree like those barbarians out there. Just somewhere there lah. But I want to sit down, so I just open the umbrella and then see? Got natural wind. It's not here yet. Got shade. Not so stuffy lor. See, got the top, not bad one. Tow truck is here, guys. Whew. Finally. How long was the wait, love? Okay lah. This is a memorable moment. Guys, this is a Mazda tow truck towing a Mazda. Woohoo! The Pokka also Mazda. So we are at the workshop now, currently looking for parts, asking the JV guys, and he's actually one of the Singaporean guys who come down early because I'm supposed to come down tomorrow so that I can fetch go home. So sweet carrot, but it's a nice feeling like, even though you go through problems, but you go through problems together. Moment of truth. Is it the same?
This one looks much
Bigger.
bigger.
The angle a bit.
On that effect.
So the part was wrong. So now he's doing a temporary fix. How can I?
Got feeling already.
Oh yo, got feeling dio.
Okay, you press just press Go down right. Okay, one more time pump. Okay, pump.
Temporary fix. We made it! We're in Melaka. So tired. Then, oh. Yay! We're running because after this, we run.